morning, everyone. I am on my way to Fuel Coffee this morning. I'm going to meet Morgan and I'm excited to see her. I also think it's really good that I'm getting out of the house. It is one of those days where I could very easily just stay inside all day, if you can tell. It's so gloomy and it's so rainy and it's cold, but I'm very proud of both of us for getting out of the house today, so I think it's gonna be good. I'm kind of having a random urge to go to Trader Joe's. I don't really go to Trader Joe's that often just because I feel like the one that's closest to us isn't really like that close. So I might stop there on the way home since it's on the way to Fuel, or like on the way back also, so I might do that afterwards. But overall I think it's just gonna be a pretty chill day. This evening I'm actually getting a massage, which I'm like excited / nervous for. I've only had one like professional massage ever, but I got a massage as a Christmas gift, so I'm excited and I think it'll be very relaxing, and God knows I could use one. So those are the big plans for the day. I will check in with you all later, but I just wanted to say hello and I hope you're all having a good one, whatever it is that you're watching this. I thought I would do a little haul of everything I got at Trader Joe's. I was very much in like a snack mode, so I didn't really get any I pretty much only just bought snack stuff. But I got all my favorite things and a few new things as well. I got these Cheetos. These are the best. I really like eating these rice crackers with hummus. I thought these little jelly beans were too cute to leave there. These were also cute and mini, these little mini stroop waffles, so I know those will be delicious. I've never had this before. It's dark chocolate bark with almond pretzel and sea salt, but it sounds delicious. I have trail mix because I can't live without trail mix these days. This is the rainbow end one, which has like the little M&Ms in it, which I love. These I got because Grace said they were good, but they're yogurt covered pretzels. They look delish. I also have some dried mango and soft and juicy mandarins. I love these. They're so good. And then the last thing I got is just this panko bread tilapia fillets. These are really good and easy to make, and you can just eat them with a bunch of things. So that is my little mini Trader Joe's haul. I'm gonna put this all away now and I'm going to make myself some lunch. Good evening, everyone. It is Friday, it is the weekend, and I'm about to head to Grace's place. I have not seen her in over a month at this point, which is really crazy, but she's finally home and we're gonna have a movie night. We're gonna resume our Harry Potter marathon and we are gonna make mapo tofu. So I'm very excited for a cozy Friday night in. I'm so excited to see Grace, and I am so excited that it is the weekend.
I can't believe the ending.
Hello everyone. I wanted to quickly come on here and chat with you about a brand that I have absolutely been loving. The brand is Brooklinen, and if you are not familiar with them, they are a luxury sheet company and they make the most beautiful sheets and especially towels. I feel like having really nice sheets and towels is just the perfect way to elevate your home and really just like a form of self-care. I feel like especially as we go into the warmer months, elevating your space, like I always get a bit of an itch for like that spring refresh, and I feel like one of the best ways to go about doing that is by refreshing your towels. And I am so thankful. Right here I have the super towel bundle set, and it comes with 2 bath towels and 2 hand towels, and if you buy the set it's actually 15% like cheaper than it would be if you were to buy everything individually. And I feel like this really is just the perfect set, especially for Luke and I. And I love this midnight navy color. I feel like navy is really having its moment right now, and I would love for that to continue into spring because I just think it's so chic, and I absolutely love how these feel in our bathroom. And they're so soft and so cozy. We've both been loving these. The other thing I feel like is the perfect key to refreshing for spring is to get yourself a robe, and specifically this super plush robe. I have the pink one with the little white stripes. First of all, I think pink is the perfect spring color, but I love this. It's so cozy, and I've been wearing it every single day basically when I get ready. And then also, especially on those Sunday evenings when I do my Sunday evening ritual, I like to do a face mask, and there's nothing more luxurious than just sitting in your robe with a face mask on and refreshing and recharging for the week. So I will continue to be using this because it is so luxe and so cozy. And you should definitely all check out Brooklinen. Their products are amazing. I swear by these towels, and it is the perfect way to refresh your home and your life as we head into spring. We just got home a little bit ago. We went to Bake Shop this morning, which I had not been to in a while, and honestly I have had like mixed experiences there, but I wanted to go again and give it another try, and I'm really glad I did. I had this toast this morning that was literally the most simple but best toast like ever. It was their like signature nut butter with their seasonal jam, and it was delicious. But before I get in my cozies for the rest of the day, I did want to show you what I wore to the coffee shop. I just wore my little white Uniqlo baby tee, this cardigan from Reformation. I carry my little Staud Alec bag with this little Snoopy charm that Grace got me. He's holding a little sumo orange, and he is so cute. And then I just wore these brown pants. These are from Just Black Denim. I love the brown and the black together, and just a little bit of stitching that they have on them. So that was what I wore, and I wore it with my little Vince loafers. So I'm gonna go get in my cozies now for the rest of the day. I think we're just gonna like tidy and chill out a little bit, and then we're going over to a friend's house for dinner. But overall, I think it'll be just a really relaxing Saturday, which is very needed. So that's the plan.
We might consider it to be burn food once upon a time.
A lot of black.
You're right. Oh, here's something to keep in mind. It's take a second for it to absorb the eggs. Are they? Adrian makes a lot of that. So, what we're going to do, you can use your hand or you can use the bench scraper. I've also had like Jerry Lee Lewis tea, saltier than she's used to. Yeah. She reminds me of like, I mean, truly, all time favorite things to eat is lobster. We take off your food, and then really like, it's over and